Hello guys, another episode of Need for Speed No Limits. Today it's really good things will be here and we will get this event. With this event with Beck and Sophie and Jewel and Jane and Beck. And Sophie, no! Select this car will be easy peasy. I am the fastest. My lotus, Emia. Lotus, Emia. This is this car I have. Okay, Candy, hello. The car's fast. Oh my gosh. Oh, time to drift. Oh my god, the drift. Oh, every place we can go on it. Yeah, baby. Oh, baby. Finally, no one has stopping me. Because my car is the fastest. Oh my gosh, we win! My lotus. Well, thank you. Yes, sir. We can upgrade the car. Nitro Rush. Okay, let's go. My gosh, let's go! No, please. Yes, sir! We finally win that. Thanks too much. How many upgrades we got? Racing challenge. Candy, he is my favorite. Candy. I'm gonna win from him. My car is fast more than him. We have to go. No! He said finish fair. It's time to retrieve this. Don't do for me anything. My car's fast than you. I'm level 680. Hey, bro. Yay! Don't win the race. Oh my gosh, we finally win. Yes, sir. Result pass. Result pass. Airborne. has. Yes, sir! Yes, sir, guys. Yes, sir, guys. It's time to upgrade my car because I want it fast, really fast to do this. The wheels. Okay, we want to watch ad. Okay, let's do the hunter. Kang Day, why he is right here? Kang Day. Oh my gosh. Hey, Kang Day, you can't win this. My lotus is fast than you. You are not. Hey. Don't do this. Don't do this. Oh my gosh. Winner. Yes, sir. Seller. Okay. Chapter complete! 20 left to go. Let's continue. We win this. And if you like this video, please, we want like and share and subscribe. But before, we will upgrade my car into this nitros. Into those nitros. They are finally upgraded. And bye bye.